Hello guys. In today's video, we're going to look at the market cap and also the circulating supply. I'm making this video following the questions that have been written up in my last video comment sessions, which says in a layman understanding, explain to us clearly, please, the difference between the coin market cap and also the circulating supply. So in today's video, that's actually what we're going to look at in a simple terms. So stay with me from the beginning of this very video to the end, so that by the end of this very video, you will be able to understand these two differences. And also you will be able to understand how you can actually apply them in order for you to make a rational profit when you dive into a trade. So before we dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, do want to subscribe to this channel, like these videos, share these videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. All right, so let's quickly dive into that without a waste of time. So where actually can you find this? All you just first need to do is to navigate yourself to this particular site. All right, look for overview. Okay, look for overview. In my next class, I'm going to make a lot of videos that will show you how you can make your local analysis. But for now, let's focus on this. If you click on this overview, all right, clicking on this overview will bring you to a somewhere of this particular nature that will tell you about this particular cryptocurrency coin. Before doing this, you need to know that you must make your own choice first, because all the market cap and the circulating supply of all particular coins are actually different. All right, but before we go into looking for the circulating supply or the coin market cap, let's look at about the coin. It's a Bybit is the world first economy layer for AI infrastructure, covering real-world AI assets such as GPUs, robotics, and also AI energy system. Intertradable and also yieldable bearing on claim instrument by connecting DeFi liquidity with AI. Now let's stop here. You can see the about the coin is actually being showed to you here in brief. This is about the coin. And this is the coin wallet. This is the coin wallet. Okay. All right. Now let's look at this market supply. This MC. Sorry. Look at the market supply here. The market supply here is over $15 million. Right? And if it keeps increasing, you see it there. The moment a lot of people are into it, you see it there. Okay. Now let's look at it. Circulating supply here. Its circulating supply is over 204, and in market supply is over 15. It's over 15 million. Okay, all this is in what? Is in millions. So without a waste of time, I'll briefly like to inform you that a market cap is the total value of a cryptocurrency in the market. The total value of the cryptocurrency in the market, like how many volumes, their total volumes, is what we call the coin market cap. Okay, so it shows how big or valuable a coin is compared to others. So this market cap is simply the size of that particular coin. It shows how big the particular cryptocurrency is compared to the other coin. Okay, compared to the other coin. So market cap is equal to the current price of the coin multiplied by the circulating supply. Now look at it. See, this is the market cap. And what is the current price of the coin? Let's see. If this is the market cap and the current price of the coin is this 0.76, look at the current price of the coin 0.07658, right? 0.7658. So the market cap now is equal to the current price multiplied by the circulating supply. Now you see what I'm talking about. If the current price is this, Okay, if the current price is this, we're going to multiply what is the current price, okay, multiply by the circulating supply. And the circulating supply now is over what? Is over 204 million. Okay, now let's do this. Let's do this. 0.07600. Let's do this quickly. 0.07600 multiplied by 204. Let me see the complete value. Multiply by 204,831,667. 204,831,667. Now you see the market cap. Now you see the market cap is equal to the current price of the particular coin multiplied by the circulating supply. Now you see, this is example. If the current price is this and the circulating supply is this, okay, and the circulating supply is this, so the coin market cap now will be equal to 15. You see, the coin market cap now will be equal to over $15 million market cap. All right, now let's see. Did you got this right? Wow. Now you see it. Now you see that what we have here is over 15 and what we did there is still over 15. Okay, now let's see. If divided this coin market cap, if divided this market cap by the circulating supply, what are we still going to get? The circulating supply, as we said, is 204,831,667. Now, 204,831,667. Okay, and don't forget the market cap is what? Over 15. Okay, 15,108,384. 15,108,384. Okay, 384. 15,108,384 divided by 204,831, 204,831,667. I don't know. Let me see. 831,667, 15,108,384. 15,108. Okay, 15,108. 15,108,384. You can see. So this is also almost equivalent. This is equivalent. All right. Coin market cap multiplied by the total price of the particular coin gives you the coin market cap. Okay. And the coin market cap now divided by the circulating supply will also give you the what? The price of the particular coin. Okay, so if a coin price is 2 and the market supply is 10, it's going to be equal to market cap equal to 2 multiplied by the total supply. You can say, okay, multiplied by the total supply. So the coin market cap will now be equal to whatever the two of them brings out. So why this market cap is important? Okay, this particular volume you are seeing here, why is it important? All right. So this particular market cap is important because it measures the size of a particular cryptocurrency. This is what differentiates it from others. Okay, you must measure the size of the particular cryptocurrency before even trying to dive into the trade. Okay, so a high market cap is equal to a big established project, e.g., Bitcoins and also Ethereums. Okay, this one has a very high market cap. Okay, it classifies them as a big project. All right. Two, it shows the risk level. It shows this particular market cap we're talking about here. It shows the risk level. Okay, it shows the risk level. So if a large market cap coins over 10 billion, it has a lower risk. It has a serious lower risk and it's more stable. Okay, a mid market cap is 1 billion to 10 billion. It's moderate risk and also it has a growth potential. But a small market cap under 1 billion, it has a very high risk and also a high reward. Because the moment you were in the trade and it increases, you have a high reward. But if it diminished, you're at a serious risk and you can also lose your capital. Okay, so three, it helps compare differences. This particular market cap you're seeing, it helps compare differences between one coins and the others. Even if two coins have the same price, their market cap also might be very different. So now in simple terms, we will look at this, what we call a circulating supply. Okay? In simple terms, a circulating supply is equal to all the coins that are already released. Okay? They are equal to all the coins that are already released for trading. Okay? They are already released and those coins are also available for trading. This is what we call a circulating supply. But remember, it does not include the locked tokens by the creator, and also a reserve token for team marketing is not included, and also a coin for stakings and rewards is not also included. Token in smart contract also can't be added because they cannot be accessed, and also bond tokens are not also included. Example, if a total supply is 100 million, locked token 20 million, bond token 10 million, and also circulating supply is 70 million. Okay, so now, only 70 million tokens are actually available. Now get this, if all of these are this, then what is available is only the 70 million, which is the circulating supply. Okay, I do hope you are getting this. If you are getting this, please give me a like and also drop your comment at the comment sections. Let me actually understand if you are getting this so that we can actually move on. So now, why is this particular circulating supply important? Because it affects market cap. Market cap is equal to price multiplied by circulating supply, which is why it's important. It affects the market cap. So market cap is equal to price multiplied by circulating supply. Okay, and when you multiply the price by the circulating supply, it gives you the market cap. Okay, if you multiply the price of this particular token, which is 0.0776, multiplied by the circulating supply, it will give you this market cap. Okay, it will give you this market cap. So it's important because it affects the market cap. Okay, so low circulating supply plus price moves quality is called a more volatility. Okay, it's a more volatility. So if the circulating supply is low, which is this one, if the circulating supply is low and also the price moves quickly, it's called more volatility. All right, and high circulating supply plus price moves more. If it has a high circulating supply, price moves slowly. So any coin with a very high circulating supply, the price move very slowly. Okay, the price move very slowly. And if the circulating supply is small, the price move quickly. So we always look at the coin with a low circulating supply, not the one with trillions and billions and trillions. All right. So it actually affects price movement. So low circulating supply is going to price move quickly, as we said, and the others. Three, it also help identify pump and dump risk. If a project has a very small circulating supply but huge total supply, the price might crash when more tokens unlocked. Okay, the price will definitely crash when a more token is unlocked. So with all this now, I think I have provided a detailed explanation about this coin market cap and circulating supply.